My name is Thomas Hirsch, better known as TJ, and I'm a family practice physician assistant up at Essentia, Hermantown. My family's been in medicine all their lives. My mom's an RN, my dad's a surgical technologist, so just kind of grew up with it. It was just kind of natural for me. In school, I loved the sciences. It was always very fascinating to me, especially the human body. And then after school, I worked as a CNA for a couple of years and really developed the personal touch to care for people and realized that it was truly my calling to get into the medical field further. I love to be able to form the relationships with my patients. I get to see them from, could be as a baby all the way up until they're elderly. So it's great to form those relationships, get to see everybody kind of as they progress through life and help them in their times of need, and even when they're not having so many troubles, just to kind of work with them and make sure they're on the right track. So that's why I chose family practice. Just their stories. I like hearing everybody's, different backgrounds and what brings them to, specifically to Hermantown. I mean, all of Duluth region, of course, but just to hear what they have to say and what their experiences have been in life. I know I'm supposed to focus on certain medical problems, but sometimes you get a little more conversation in there and get to work with them and know them as an individual, not just as a patient. Each patient's unique. I tailor what I say to what they need. It's not really, there's of course we recommend the certain things and we want to make sure that we're doing the best to keep them on the right track and help them, but yeah, each patient's different and I gotta adapt to everybody's needs, so difference for everybody. I grew up in Duluth, Minnesota, so I'm a big outdoors guy. I love being out on the big lake, fishing, boating, things like that. Grew up hunting, being around family, that's always been a big passion of mine. I also love sports. Grew up playing golf around the area, playing football, hockey, so if somebody wants to get talking about sports, I can definitely go off on that tangent for a while. Supporting the Minnesota Wild and the UMD Bulldogs all the way.